Building a web app is like building a city, and your tools matter. Let's break it down. Imagine building a city. Plain JavaScript gives you bricks and cement. Libraries and frameworks? They give you machines, blueprints, and even construction crews. A library is like picking up a tool when you need it. You're still in charge of construction. A framework gives you the whole blueprint and tells you where to plug things in. It's the boss now. Back when JavaScript was clunky for DOM manipulation, jQuery came along like a power drill, making everything easier. Stick around, I'll show you how React builds cities block by block, while Angular runs the entire crew. React is like building a city out of reusable apartment units. Every room is a component, and state manages the interior. Angular gives you the entire package: team, tools, structure, and rules. It's ideal when you want structure and scale. Vue lets you build a custom home, quick to start, easy to scale. It's flexible, elegant, and beginner-friendly. Choose jQuery for quick fixes on legacy projects. React for UI-first apps. Angular for full ecosystems. Vue if you want simplicity with power. Thank you for watching. If you're ready to build smarter, drop a brick in the comments, like this video, and subscribe for more dev blueprints.